guys, let's prepare an order today. You are welcome to my kitchen. I have an order to prepare a vegetarian sauce. Yes, very simple, delicious vegetarian sauce with rice. And so that's what we are going to do for today. But before we go on, I want to beg you to subscribe if you have not yet done so. Like and share this video. Click on the bell icon. Okay, so I have my soya chunks here, and what you are going to do is you are going to parboil it a bit, and then we'll fry it. So I'm going to add some seasoning to it. You can also add salt to it, but I did not add any salt to it because the seasoning already comes with some salt. Yes, so I'll put this on fire and let it boil. So I'm going to make use of cabbage, carrot, bell peppers, and cucumber. I'm also going to make use of cauliflower, spring onions, and broccoli. So I've washed my vegetables well, but I'm also adding vinegar to it. Let's check on our chunks. Yes, it's ready. So I'm going to take it off fire, drain the water, and let it cool. So we are going to slice our vegetables, starting with the carrot. You can slice it any shape or size that you want. Forgive me of my voice. I have catarrh cold, and so that is why my voice is sounding this way. And so let's slice all our vegetables. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. When you like the video and you leave a comment, YouTube will recommend my videos for others to watch. Do you get it? So subscribe, leave a comment, share the video for me. Okay, so I'm also going to add the broccoli leaves to it. This is the broccoli leaves that I'm adding to it. You can omit it, but I chose to add it. So let's fry our chunks. So I'm going to fry it very well. So give this recipe a try. You are going to love it. It's not every day that you'll be eating meat, fish. Sometimes just decide to go on a vegan or vegetarian diet. And so we are done with our chunks. So I have my saucepan on fire with oil, vegetable oil, and I've added onions to it. We are going to add the carrots to it and stir fry it a little bit, yes, for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to add my broccoli and cauliflower to it. My broccoli, I left it there for some time. That is why it's looking a bit yellowish. So I added my fried chunks to it, cover for about a minute, stir it again. I'm going to add chili powder to it. Now you can decide to omit the chili, and I just decided to add a little bit of little bit of water to aid the cooking process. So I've added chili powder to it. You can omit it if you don't like chili. Okay, so let's cover and let it cook for a minute. I'm going to add my cucumber and my bell peppers also to it. Stir, adding some seasoning to it, and then black and white pepper. This is vegetarian dish, so the seasoning that I used is onion, garlic, and ginger seasoning. I didn't use any seasoning that contains fish or meat. Do you get it? Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of water also. Okay, and then stir. We are going to cover this for a minute, and the next thing we are going to do is to add our cabbage to it, and I'm going to add my soy sauce to it, yes, and then sprinkle a little bit of salt on it. You know, the soy sauce also contains salt, so you have to be mindful of the salt quantity. Yes, so stir everything together, and I'm going to add cornstarch to it. So I have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in water. Add it to it, and then I'm going to cover for about 2 minutes, but before then I'll add leaves, that is the broccoli leaves, and my spring onions to it. I'll cover for 2 to 3 minutes and that'll be okay. So I added fresh onions also to it. We don't want the vegetables to be tender, too tender. We want it to be also crunchy. Do you get it? So just cover for 1 to 2 minutes, at most 3 minutes, and that'll be okay for the sauce to thicken. So the sauce has thickened very well, and our vegetarian sauce is ready. You see, very much ready for you to enjoy. So we are going to take it off fire, and the next thing I'm going to have on fire is another pan. I'm going to add oil to it. Then I'll add some amount of sliced onions also to it. Stir fry it a bit, and then I'm going to add my cooked rice to it. And I'm going to stir fry this cooked rice a bit, and then I'm going to add my garden peas to it. Yes, my garden peas to it. So green peas, yes, to it. And then we are going to stir fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll add spring onions also to it. Yes, so this is it, my spring onions added to it. At this point, if you are still watching me, thank you very much. God bless you. Like this video, leave a comment, share your thoughts. So yeah, our rice too is ready. So this is our vegetarian sauce, very delicious, and I packaged it for my clients. I added some fried plantain and boiled egg to it, and I also got some small out of it to serve myself. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.